Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to claim your dog's airdrop. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial video helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So Dogs is a new airdrop that is currently ongoing that just started, and here's how it works. You can claim your tokens based on how old your Telegram account is. Like when you log into the bot, you check how old your Telegram account is, and you'll be allocated tokens based on how old it is. Now let's get started. The link to the Telegram bot will be in the description box below. So when you click on the link, all you need to do is click on Start. On the first interface, you click on Start, then you click on Open. So when you are entering for the first time, it will calculate your score. As you can see it at the top, it will calculate your score. You see Elite member. You've joined Telegram for the number of years you have joined Telegram will be shown at the bottom. As you can see, mine is 4 years ago. Your account number is, you can see the number, and you are in the top 25 Telegram users. Continue. Now you see I got 3,705 for my Telegram. So just click on continue. So you can see if you have Telegram Premium, you see they will give you extra points here. So when you click on the leaderboard, you find out the top users. Here, like the first, second, third, and all that. And when you click on friends, if you invite your friends, you get more. This is the only way to accumulate more dogs. Like just invite your friends. Then when you invite your friends, you get earnings based on their score. That's how it works. You get earnings based on their score. So go back to the home page. You can join their Telegram channel for more updates. They already have 1.2 million subscribers already. So guys, don't sleep on this. This is a huge update. So guys, that is all about the Dogs airdrop. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.